just going to support the transmission with a pole jack. Just use a block of wood so you don't damage anything. I'm not going to put a lot of force, just take some of the pressure off the mount. Use an 18mm socket, loosen up the bolt, goes straight through the mount. Take that bolt out. If you have to, you can adjust with the screw jack. Use a 15mm socket, and you can use a long extension and just go right through. Take these bolts out. There's one right here. And use a 15mm socket. Once you loosen it up, you can switch to a smaller socket. Might make it a little easier. And take that bolt out. And get this one way up top. Use a 15mm socket as well. And pull that bolt out. Take the mount, just push it up. Now just push the mount up. You can use a pry bar and just try to pry the engine back a little bit. Find an area. Once you get it past, you should be able to twist it. And slide it down. Slide this back in position. Now get these bolts started. And you can start by tightening these down. You want to tighten these down. If you can get a torque wrench in there, you want to torque these to 42 foot-pounds. Do the best you can. And put the center bolt in. If you have to adjust the engine height, you can do that. Get that started. And if you can get a torque wrench in there for that one, torque that to 81 foot-pounds. And you can lower the engine support if you were still using it.